Guys, take a look at this. The Jamaican carrot and beetroot juice. Very nutritious, delicious, immune boosting, and all those good things. So we're going to make it two different ways today. We're going to make it the natural and we're going to make it the fancy way. So stay tuned and I see you in the kitchen. I went ahead and I prepped my ingredients. We have 2 pounds of carrot all washed and ready to go. We have 1 beetroot already cut up, and we have like 2 heads of ginger. We have our Grace condensed milk. We will use 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We have like 48 ounces of water here. I have 1 lemon, and of course the Jamaican white rum. You don't have to use the white rum, but if you put it there, it's just for, you know, enhancement. I also have my NutriBullet here. This is a very, very good juicer. If you can get this one to buy, please do, because I have this like 3 years now and it's still going strong. So that's all, guys, and I have my strainer and my utensils here. So I'll see you a little later. So at this point, I'm getting ready to load my carrot and my beetroot in my blender. So stay tuned. So here we go. I'm just gonna add little by little. So we're gonna put a few pieces of beetroot here. And we just pretty much gonna blend all the carrot and beetroot at once, and then we can make our separation, because remember, we are making 2 different methods. Okay, so this is our first blend. Just gonna pour it in our dish that we have here in the sink here, and we're gonna go for another batch. There we go. When finished blending, we will just strain. Now let's not put so much, leave some space for our beet. So we're just gonna do this. And we're gonna pour some water in, of course, just to get it going. We're gonna cover and everything So I'm gonna continue, and when I'm finished blending, I'll see you. So guys, my carrot is all blended, and I'm going to show you how I strained it off. Okay, so we're just gonna take our blended carrot and we're gonna pour it in our strainer, and as you can see, the juice is already running out. So I'm just going to take my spatula and just go ahead and help the juice to release from the trash. Alright guys, so this is how we do it, so you have an idea. So we're going to continue doing this until we get all the juice out. And it's, if you have like a piece of cheesecloth, I think it would be much better, because then you can squeeze it like that. I think it's more effective. But you know, I just have my strainer here, so I just use what I have. Okay guys, so this is how we do it. So I'll see you with the finished look. So guys, this is my last batch of straining, and we're just gonna finish up. So guys, you know, with this, using this spatula is not enough. So what I did is I used my hands to just knead it out like this. Just squeeze it down. See, you can go about it like this, because the spatula can do so much. So we're gonna just use our hands and squeeze out the juice like that. And also, if you have like a piece of lace curtain, if you don't have the cheesecloth, you can use that, because I feel like that is a better way to go about it, because then you can get more juice out like that. The spatula alone is not good. So, you know, just use your hand and try to squeeze it out like that. See? So we want to get all the juice out as much as possible. We don't want to waste it. See? Squeeze it out like that. So if you can invest in a piece of cheesecloth, then that's a good idea. All right, so that's pretty much it guys. So I'll see you. So guys, we all strained up, but I'm gonna do a second straining. So here we go, because we don't want to leave any of the trash behind. So we're gonna just restrain. And you see, we did have some there. Yep. So what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna go in with our hand and just squeeze it out. Let's just squeeze this all out. We don't want to lose any of our juice. Yep. This is what we did. Squeeze it all out. Yeah. And some is even escaping there. But that's okay, we can always strain it again. Yep, so this is it. Let's get the other small amount here. Okay. So guys, let's strain it a third time, because we just want to get all the trash out. So here we go. The third time of straining. So see, we still have a little trash in there. So we're just gonna discard this. We don't need this. Let's just squeeze out the juice. Let's just put it. So here we go guys. This is your carrot and beetroot juice in its natural form. But remember, I said we are going to make two different methods. We're doing two different methods. The fancy method and the natural method. Okay, so what we are going to do now, we're going to separate. So for the natural method, I'm going to put a portion of my juice in my blender, because I'm going to blend it with my ginger. So here I am, I'm pouring my ginger, and I'm gonna reblend, okay? So here you go, guys. Let's blend our beetroot and carrot juice with our ginger, okay? So here we go, guys. Look at it. This is our natural form. So let's just go ahead and strain. So we can strain. There we go. We're gonna add our lemon a little later, okay? Okay, so let's just set this aside. So guys, my natural carrot juice and beetroot is here, and my other portion is for the fancy way. So let's work on our natural carrot and beetroot juice for now, okay? So at this point, I'm gonna just prepare my lemon. So I'm just rolling it to release the juice before I cut it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and juice it with my lime juicer. So I'm just gonna cut it in two like this. Oh wow, this knife is so dark. Oh. Alright, so here we go. We're just gonna juice our lemon. I know this juice is gonna be very delicious, and it's immune boosting, guys. This is good for you. Carrot is good for the eyes. A lot of vitamin C and all of those good things going on. So let's put a little more lemon juice. We don't want it to be too much. So let's just set this aside, and I'm gonna use my strainer to strain my lemon juice. So here we go, right inside there. I'm just gonna go ahead and take our spoon and do that. Okay, guys. So now let's just stir. Okay, let's taste. Wow. I'm tasting the lemon. I'm tasting the ginger. You can't get it better than this. Believe me. So we're just gonna go ahead and pour our juice inside our glass. So here we go, guys. Take a look. Isn't that beautiful? It's not only beautiful, it's delicious. It's good for you. Drink this every day and you will see result. Okay, guys? Let's put a little more there. So guys, that's your natural carrot and beetroot juice with lemon to garnish. No sugar. If you want to put sugar, then you go ahead, but you don't need to. The carrot is sweet. You know, all these fruits or vegetables, they have a little sugar, so there's no need to put sugar. So just leave it as is, unless you really love sweet like that. So let's just set this aside, and we're gonna go ahead and work on the other method. We're gonna go fancy. So here we go. This is the rest of the carrot juice, and now I'm gonna show you how to go fancy. So let's get our condensed milk. Here you go. And we're gonna get vanilla, our nutmeg. So let's pour our nutmeg. So our nutmeg is in. 1 teaspoon. One teaspoon of vanilla. So I'm just gonna eyeball it. There you go. Then we're gonna kick it a notch with the good old Jamaican overproof rum. Not a lot, and like I said, you do not have to put it there. Matter of fact, you can put any form of liquor you want. The Guinness, the Dragon Stout, or whatever you like, but it's optional. So this is pretty much enhancement, okay? So let's just put, let's put like a tablespoon, a teaspoon. I'm putting a teaspoon. I don't like too much. So you put what you want. I'm just adding that. And I'm gonna go ahead and stir. Now I'm gonna use my condensed milk. This is the sweetened condensed milk, Grace brand, to sweeten. Remember, we're going fancy. So you're gonna just take your oatmeal, just punch it like that, and we're gonna go ahead and sweeten. There you go. So you do it, and you stir. Guys, I'm smelling the rum. The Jamaican white rum is very strong. The one that you get in Jamaica, because this is no joke. Be careful. It's not watered down. It's the strongest of the strong. So be careful. This is something that you don't drink a lot unless you are a drinker like that. So I think we're gonna just use all the condensed milk. And again, guys, you have to taste to see if you need more or less. That's the idea. That's all I can say to you at this point. Some people like it very sweet, some don't, so it's up to you. Yeah, we need some more. So we're gonna pretty much probably use the whole tin of milk, can of milk. So like I said, guys, you can put Guinness Stout, you can put Dragon Stout, you can put rum, or any liquor of your choice. What do you like? Put what you like there. And like I said, this is a very nutritious drink. If you drink this every day, I guarantee you that you are going to see a result. Beetroot is good to enrich your blood. Carrot is good for the eyes. Has other health properties. So do your research and comment below. Tell me what you know about this drink, what you know about carrot, what you know about beetroot. I remember my aunt, She lived to see, she lived 90 to 95. She was 95 years old when she died. And every time you would go to her house, she would have a whole jug of beetroot and carrot juice in her fridge. As you step foot in the door, she offers you a glass. And that woman lived to be so long. I'm not gonna say it's just the beetroot, but I'm telling you, you should see her skin for a 90-odd-year-old woman. No wrinkle, shine, sheen. I'm telling you. And this is the type of drink she be drinking. She always have her carrot and beetroot juice in her fridge, a whole jug. And every morning she get up, she drink a glass. And I'm telling you guys, she always have her carrot juice, soursop juice, and all of those good things, or Irish moss juice, all those good things. So guys, I'm not gonna put any more milk. This is good for me. It's just right. Not too sweet, not too fresh. And there you have it, guys. Your second method. Carrot juice, beetroot, the fancy way. So here we go. See how pretty that is? The beetroot gave it that red color. See? So there you go, guys. This is the one with the milk and all those good things, your vanilla, your nutmeg, and your white rum. And this is your natural one over here. All that is there is your carrot and your beetroot juice, lemon and ginger, lemon to garnish. That's it, guys. So these are your two methods. Okay, guys, let's heat it up with some ice. Lemon off. My lemon fell off, guys. Sorry. Trial and error. So we're just gonna heat it up with some ice. Let's put some over here. So there you have it, guys. Carrot and beetroot juice, natural and fancy. And if you ask me which method is the best, I say go the natural way. Because, guys, you know, the natural way is always the best. You don't need sugar and all of those things. But if you feel like you want to go fancy and kick it up a notch, then go the fancy way. The fancy way has the vanilla, the nutmeg, the liquor, the milk, and all of those things. Okay? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it, touch up the notifications so you can know when I upload another video. See you.